Have a pleasant day everyone. I am Jerson B. Vega from BEd 1A. For today's video, we are going to learn how to arrange the Rubik's Cube. 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So guys, let's start. After solving the middle edges, you will have solved 2, 3 of the Rubik's Cube. When you begin the top layer, you might see 4 things. You might see a dot, a backwards L shape, a horizontal bar, or across. Your goal is to get to that across. So let's begin with a dot. Now, this is a dot because all 4 yellow edges are flipped the wrong way. It doesn't matter what the corners are doing. If you see the dot, you're going to go front clockwise, up, left, down, right, front, counterclockwise. This is called the face. You will use this algorithm multiple times until you get the yellow cross. Now, we have the backwards L, so I'm going to turn this until L is backwards. Remember down, pay attention to what the 4 corners are doing. This backwards L needs to be made up center, and the edges you're going to do face algorithm. Again, from the clockwise, up, left, down, right, front, counterclockwise. Now you will get the horizontal bar. I know this looks like an 8, but I know it's the horizontal bar because of the edges. It doesn't matter what the corners are doing. So you're gonna do the face algorithm. Again, front clockwise, up, left, down, right, front, counterclockwise. And now you will have the yellow cross. Now, the different from the white cross because not all the edges will end the right places unless you get lucky. So you have to get these edges actually in the right places. So what you want to do is spin the top layer until you can line up 2 of the yellow cross edges. So I've lined our green, and since these 2 are opposite each other, I can actually hold the cube anyway with you and tap and do this algorithm called the push. So I'm gonna go up, push down, push up, double push down, push. What does is push the yellow cross pieces around to get the closer to being solved. So now I'm going to spin again. I've lined up green and red, so if you've lined up 2 that are the next to each other, you're going to put them in the back and the right and do the same algorithm. Again, so push up, push down, push up, double, push down, push. So check. Now I've solved all for the 4 cross pieces. After solving the yellow cross edges, you need to put the 4 corners in the right place. What you're going to do is look for a corner that is already in the right place. Now the way to check if a corner is the right place, so at these 3 colors and see them match up with the colors around it. So have yellow, red, and blue, and does not match up with yellow, orange, and blue, so match up with the yellow, orange. Let's move on the next one. Yellow, orange, and green does not match up with yellow, red, and blue. Here we have yellow, green, and red that matches up with yellow, green, and red. So what we do is hold this piece on the top right and do the algorithm called the dodge. Left, up, dodge, right, up, dots, left, down, dice, right, down. After doing the dodge, check the other corners to see if they are in the right places. They're not because I see the yellow, orange, blue does not match up with yellow, orange, green. So you back to your original corner and do it again. That's left up, the right up, that left down, that's right down. Now I check, are the corners in the right places? Yes, sometimes none of the corners will be in the right place. As you can see, now of these corners colors match up with the colors around them. So what you do is the dodge of any corner you want, dash left or dash right up dodge, left down, thus the right down this will move one of the corners in the right place. So here it is. So I'm going to perform the dodge on it, so you should have all the yellow corners in the right place, which means that the three colors are in each corner match up with the three colors around them. Unless you get lucky, some of the corners will twist it wrong, like here. What you do is face one this corner, so that is in the top right, keeping yellow on the top. Then you do these 4 moves until you see yellow on top. You go down, left, up, right, continue this down, left, up, right. After doing it, check it yellows on the top. If it is Spain on the top layer around the next corner that is twisted the wrong way, do those same moves down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, and moves down, left, right. Probably know what to solve it from here. Sometimes you may come across the case or corners that are twisted the wrong way, are opposite each other. The process is the same phase. Once of them in the top right, go down, left, up, right, yeah, look up, right, until you see yellow on the top. Then you twist the top layer around so that the next wrong twisted corner is in the top right, and do those some moves down, left, up, right.